Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You open Settings and go straight to Display. This puts the exact controls at your fingertips. Once done, check battery level. If under 10%, defer heavy changes so they don't interrupt. Next, toggle auto brightness. You want consistent visibility and power savings. You do this because it adapts to ambient light and prevents eye strain. Make sure to observe the screen response for a few seconds to confirm the sensor behaves as expected before continuing. You slide brightness to the level that reads well both indoors and in sunlight. Try a quick outdoor check to confirm legibility. Once done, schedule night or blue light filter to lower blue at evening hours. This reduces eye strain and helps sleep. After that, choose color mode. Pick natural for accuracy, vivid for punch, or use custom RGB to match your preference. These tweaks improve readability and color fidelity, so make small changes and reevaluate immediately. You now fine-tune refresh rate for smoother motion. Choose 60 Hz to save battery or 90/120 Hz for fluid animation. Higher rates use more power. Once done, if touch response is sluggish, enable touch sensitivity or a screen protector mode to compensate. Finally, if colors or brightness are still off, restart your phone and, if needed, reset display settings to defaults. This clears corrupted configs. If problems persist, test in safe mode. That helps determine whether an app caused the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.